Where could these things be coming from? I don't know.
No, Ein, where have you gone?
Ryan, are you okay?
No, Ein is gone.
By any chance, did he get replaced by a robot? Whoa, wait, that's exactly what happened. How did you know? Our siblings also got replaced by these robots. Tell you what, bring the Ein robot here and we will interrogate it. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, guys. Am I a bit late?
Yes, indeed you are. Get better.
Don't listen to him, it's no problem. Whoa, is this really everyone? Unfortunately, yes. I mean, like, how could you not go to the masjid in this month? Even nicknamed the month of the Quran. The most amazing things happen and have happened in this month. Like, for example, the revelation of the Quran that happened during this month on Laylatul Qadr. Don't forget, Laylatul Qadr can be any of these last 10 nights. So keep increasing your worship, especially in these last 10 nights. Ramadan is also when we have Taraweeh, Qiyam, Quran recitation, and more. These all allow us to increase our listening to the Quran and recitation. Why would you not want to listen to the Quran? The Quran is also an incredible source of mercy and forgiveness, which we should also focus on during this month of Ramadan. The Quran increases our connection with Allah and helps us get His love. The Quran also reflects many values needed in Islam, like patience, gratitude, self-control, and more. It also teaches us so many lessons about past events and even future events, like the Day of Judgment.
That's cool and all, but are we gonna go, do what we agreed on yesterday?
Yeah, I'll join.
Ooh, I actually have to babysit Ha and Hamza, so I can't right now, but maybe I'll do it later. But how about you get us started by talking to other people? Okay.
Alright, Ein robot thing. Where do you come from?